This is how you protect crawl spaces, houses on slabs, crawl spaces, houses on slabs, and garages. I do recommend going deep. 24-inch dig is what I recommend. If you can't go 24 inches deep to gravity drain it, you can go to our bad seed, and our bad seed can lift the water to the grade and pump it where the water needs to go. So definitely something to consider when you're doing these.